Tired of the endless cycle of extreme workouts and burnout? What if I told you the secret to staying fit for life isn't about transformation but maintenance? Let's talk about the maintenance mindset and how it can change your relationship with fitness forever. Think of your health like maintaining a car or a house. You don't wait for it to fall apart to fix it, right? You do regular small bits of upkeep. The same goes for your body. Instead of punishing yourself with intense, all or nothing workout plans, focus on consistency. This isn't about becoming a completely new person in 30 days. It's about showing up for the person you are every day. So what does this look like in practice? First, let's find your minimum effective dose of exercise. This is the smallest amount of activity that still gives you benefits. Maybe it's a 20-minute strength session 3 times a week or a brisk walk every other day. The goal is to find something so manageable that it's almost impossible to skip. This is your non-negotiable foundation. Next, establish a daily movement baseline. This isn't formal exercise, but simply moving more throughout your day. Take the stairs, park farther away, have a walking meeting, or do some stretching while you watch TV. These small actions add up massively over time, keeping your body active and your energy levels stable without needing a dedicated gym session. It's about weaving movement into the fabric of your life, not just scheduling it in. A huge part of the maintenance mindset is prioritizing injury avoidance over sheer intensity. Pushing to your absolute limit every time is a fast track to getting hurt, which can set you back for weeks or even months. Instead, listen to your body. Focus on good form. If something feels off, it's smarter to ease back or take a rest day than to push through the pain. Long-term consistency will always beat short-term intensity. Remember, the goal is to be able to do this for years, not just for a few weeks. By shifting from a mindset of constant transformation to one of steady upkeep, you take the pressure off. You build a sustainable routine that serves you for life, not just for a season. You learn to enjoy movement for what it is, a way to care for your body rather than a punishment. This is how you stay fit, healthy, and happy without the obsession. Thanks so much for watching. If this mindset shift resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building a healthy life you actually enjoy. See you in the next one.